Hey guys, John from Can. Making a video here on some upgrades I've done to my Glock. First thing you'll notice, I have the S3F Solution threaded and fluted barrel. I also have a Suarez flat face trigger installed. It also has a 3.5 ghost connector. I polished some of the internals, like the safety plunger. It also has a stainless steel guide rod and an extended mag release. But I want to show you guys what the trigger pull looks like. You see all the slack's almost taken out of it. There's very little slack, and you can just see that's the slack and that's the brake. I'll rack the slide for you again so you guys can see that. That's the slack and that's the brake. And then it's really nice. Trigger pull's amazing. Looks awesome with the new barrel. Really happy with it. So this is what the Glock 19 looks like right now. Hope you guys like it.